Right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Sense Pro to your Apple Watch. This is very simple. All you have to do is uh, put the earbuds in pairing mode, and you can do that by tapping and then tapping and holding on one of the earbuds, and that's going to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. Or if they're not connected to any other device, they're going to go into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically, and you can tell they're in pairing mode because they're going to be blinking rapidly like that. So now what you need to do is go to your Apple Watch, hit the menu, and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down and find Bluetooth, tap on that, and then now scroll to the bottom until you see available devices, and you can see JBL Sense Pro has been detected. You can tap on them and they're gonna get connected. Simple as that. So now if you have any music on the watch, you can now play it directly from the watch to the earbuds. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.